Madras High Court की जज जस्टिस एम सुंदर बो हाई कोर्ट ऑफ मणिपुर की चीफ जस्टिस ओइनेनाबा सुप्रीम कोर्ट Collegium na Center the recommend Toukhre Supreme Court ki Collegium na Judicial Appointment ahum Center the recommend Toukhibagi manung channa Justice M Sundar bo High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice oina recommend Toukhibani atai recommend Toukhiba Judicial Appointment sing adudi Karnataka High Court ki Judge Haujik na Patna High Court ki Acting Chief Justice Oiriba Justice P.B. Bajantri bo Patna High Court asimaki Chief Justice oinaba recommend tauki Kolkata High Court ki Judge oiriba Justice Somen Senbuna Meghalaya High Court ki Chief Justice oinaba recommend tauki Justice M Sundar asi haujik Madras High Court ki anisuba khwaidagi senior oiba Judge oiribani Karigumba Center na Judicial recommend asi yarbadi Madras High Court ki Judge singna High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice oirakpagi chatnabi adumak makha samthagadauri Mamangda Madras High Court ki Judge Singh Justice Ramaligam Sudhakar Justice M. B. Muralidharan amasung Justice D. Krishna Kumar na High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice Singh oina thabak puram ki Kumja lising amaga chamapan marifudara taruk ki July taraga mapanda Chennai da pokiba Justice Sundar Madras Law College Law Graduate ni Kumja lising amaga chamapan Marfuma Panda Mahapo Madras High Court ki advocate oina enroll tauki court asida practice tauraki kumja lising ani taraga taruki October manga da Mahapo Madras High Court ki permanent judge oiki